On here. This is how I've been doing it all by myself. Yep. Knock that in, bring it around, knock the other one in just offset from that one so I can poke the thing straight through. Yep. And I'll get it pretty much right first off, you know.
Yeah, we're getting the hang of it.
Yep.
Not just an arborist, this fella. He's an all-round tree man and turned into a woodsman.
A woodsman without a beard.
You should see his beard, people. It puts 40 years on him.
It does make him look like an old fella.
Yeah, he looks like a classic old hillbilly.
Makes him look like an old boy. Hey, old boy. There you go.
Don't see many old boys climbing trees like these.
No, I suppose not.
Not many, if any.
Not many, if any.
How many dudes you know got the skills to go and climb a tree like this?
I don't know anybody.
Well, you just put it on the hook, are ya?
Yeah, nah, I just put it on the what's the name, mate? On the normal spot.
Do you want the hook off or?
Nah, leave the hook. I've been doing the hook, I can bring it around, lift it up out the side, that's it. Just hook it straight up and over. Perfect. I can see straight away I've got to take it that way, but that's alright. I'll lift it up first and I'll do that. I'll show you how I've been doing it.
Oh.
So it's not far off, but it's a little bit off, so we'll go a little bit that way. Then I'll go down. And I'll slide that across that bit, yep.
Damn shame, it looks like the weather's coming in on us.
Yeah, no, it needs to come across.
Yeah, alright.
So it needs to come across on this side as well. So just slide that to the middle, that's it. No, not that side, this side.
You go down tight.
That's the one. Beautiful, that's it. I reckon that'll be pretty fucking right there, mate.
Too much.
Tad much.
I'll take it. Let's go for a walk, people.
No, try and make it so I fucking had to hop off 3 times to get it fucking spot on, so it balances itself.
Well,
I've got off 3 times and that's it, see that? Alright, watch. That's perfect, mate, see that?
oh. I'll get you on. It's too dangerous for you. Too dangerous for you to be on there. Pretty good. Oh,
No, that's alright.
they got the hook.
That means I can pull it out.
No, but you might.
See?
Yeah, cheek.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I was doing. I was just doing it so I could pull it out.
You're crazy, man. He's got it fucking down pat.
Yep. Then I'd come back, jump off, and I'd send it in.
Out of control, this bloke.
Basically, that was how I was
In control of something out of control.
In sort of semi-control.
No, yeah, well, you did the job, mate.
Semi-control. You know?
And you've found a new pocket for this in the side. Nice little pocket hole.
Right. Pocket hole, what's that for?
This, the pocket hole.
Yes, I thought that, and pocket hole here, too, mate, for the tensioner.
Nice, yeah.
Yep, and the blade straightener, which is the shifter. I use
Shifty.
when I needed to straighten it, you know, that's all. I've only got to straighten it once.
Hear the goat scream? Can you hear the screaming goat?
See, I reckon that's why these solid belts are better. That. It's just throwing off.
So what, that was just a minute.
And it's stuck in like that.
And it's not sticky.
Yeah, careful with the sawdust dropping in between the belt and that, because that fucking makes it. I found that. How are we going for the gap up top?
Yeah, that's all right.
That's all right. Cool. Well, that'll be all right now then.
If we're going to have to get some new belts on.
Yeah,
so base with the bearings, you reckon?
Yes, definitely Beatty bearings, man. That'd be the place to
It's
get
funny how you recognise the sound though.
Yeah.
That was quick, man.
I knew it was. Done?
Done. That was crazy.
I just watched it here, man. I watched that belt.
as driven snow.
Beautiful, eh?
Pure as driven snow.
Mumble fingers.
Look at that. Mumble rants. Mum's balls. Wonder what it is.
Jelly belly.
It's only coming out there. It's only coming out there, and there's no blood.
No.
Although there's an empty. Look at that.
Yeah, it would be like jelly. Some of it is.
That's
is
a
like
bore.
that.
That's That's fascinating. Oh, might be a sawdust.
Not
But there, that's a void, man. That's a void. Avoided. I have to learn more.
Yes. It's like that. You need to be a bit of a doctorate on fucking insects as well as wood.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Entomologist.
So you know what yeah.
Is that right?
An entowoodamologist.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, there's so much information.
Insect and wood.
There's so much information on
Oh,
it.
fuck yeah.
There's just so much to
There
learn.
is a lot that people have already learned
Yeah, there's just,
and put down.
just drawing wood is just like so intense.